Okay, guys, today I'm going to show you guys three important things: the body, the header, the title, and I want to include each one in the paragraph, and I want to show you guys where they sit within the HTML. Now, if you guys look on my screen, you guys will see I have the online encoder. That is a HTML compiler, not encoder, compiler. Now I will show you guys three IDEs that I recommend, integrated development environment that I recommend, and you guys can explore all the IDEs, not the one that I recommend. Now let's look at the ones that I recommend here. Atom is the one that I recommend. You can use that as well. Sublime is the one that I use currently right now. It's on my desktop. Notepad++, I've used that as well. You can use these three. And there are ones here that I haven't used before, but if you're good at it, use it. It doesn't really matter. Now let me show you guys my my Sublime one that I have on my desktop, and that's the Text 3. Yes, Text 3. Hold on, my screen is a little off here. My screen, for some reason, my screen is off. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so I got my doc tag. About to do something else on there. But what you guys did realize is that, I know what you guys noticed that, on my online compiler, there is no doc tag. So I'm going to copy this right here. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to copy that. I'm just going to my online compiler, my HTML online compiler. And I'm gonna do my dog tag. There's a reason why I say always do your dog tag. It's very important, and I don't want anyone who learning how to code ignore that. You don't want to ignore that. It's very essential. All right, bingo. Now I'm gonna run this real quick here. I don't want to run that. I don't want to run that. Before I even run that, I'm gonna move this here because you guys don't even know what my name is. So I'll put I am SDWJR. That's my name, not KR, but JR. That's my name. I'm gonna run it so you guys can see who I am. Let's run that real quick here. It says I am SDWJR. That's my name. I am SDWJR. Okay, guys. Now let's move on. Where do we have the where do we place the header? The header always comes before the body. Keep that in mind. The header comes before what? Before the body. That is something that I want you to keep in mind. And where does the title goes? The title goes within the header. Keep that in mind as well. And within the title, I would say Jesus Christ is Lord. I think that's the greatest title in the word thus far. Jesus Christ is Lord. Right. Now, we got that. We got our header, which is here, and we got our title, which is here. Undo, which is here. Now, we got our H1 in here, within the body. You see that right there. Our H1 is within the body. That's where we place our H1. That becomes our header, right? Now we're gonna say he came and died, right? Yeah, let me make that cap. He came and died for the word. Now, we got that. Now, where do we place our paragraph? Our paragraph is what is shown. Whenever you click on the HTML file, wherever you see what you can read or that appear on the browser, that is from the body. So now, the paragraph from the body. So we go to what? P, which is the paragraph, and then I'll say he came through the couple in the Bible called Joseph and Mary. Joseph and Mary. He came through the couple in the Bible called Joseph and Mary. Through. Let me be more clear now, because I want to say he came through. He came through. Humanistically, he came through. Jesus Christ came through humanistically. Mary and Joseph did not have sex to create Jesus. So let me be clear. He came through. All right. So I would say she was like, what you call it? What the right word to use? She was she was like a door, through which you could be able to come in a humanistic sense. But anyway, I'm about to appreciate. So now we got we got our header that comes before the body, and within our header we got the title. Got the title, and then within our body we got our header, and within our header, within the body we got the paragraph. So now I'm about to run this here and see what we got here. There we go. This is what we got here. This is our header, and this is our paragraph. Now usually you're not seeing the title. The title is usually within the browser. We don't have the title shown, but if within the browser, within the browser. So within the browser, not the browser. Within the browser. So basically that's how you create body, header, and title. Simple as that. Any question, man, guys, hit me up. If you got any question, anything that you think that you need me to clarify that I didn't clarify, let me know. But basically this is how you structure a body, header, and title. And what I did was I added a H1 in there and a paragraph in there. Yeah, so basically that's it. I love you guys, and like I said again, share the knowledge, man. Educate one, educate one, and that's how we build a great nation. I love you guys, and God bless. Remember, Black Lives Matter.